being National HVAC Tech Day, we'd just like to give a shout out to all of our amazing technicians. You know, with it being summer, they work some really long hours to make sure that our customers have cooling, they're comfortable, and they just continue to provide excellent service when it comes to, you know, people needing service on their air conditioner. We are very fortunate to have an amazing group, and the thing that amazes me most about them is just their willingness to always be improving, always be tweaking something, always working at the question kind of how can we provide better service to our customers? How can we as a team lean on each other to really just dig in and understand our craft just a little bit better in service to our customers. So with that being said, happy National HVAC Tech Day. We look forward to a wonderful summer and hopefully many more years to come.
Man, look at that. The sparkling flame. Man, not a stick of fire. Look good.
Thanks for everything you guys do.
Hey guys, thanks for all you do. Keep up the hard work, and we appreciate everything you're doing out there for us.
Thank you guys for everything that you do.
Because I think it's going to help. We're behaving.